Before we jump into the video, here's a little announcement about this channel. And you probably think why I am talking in English, because this is a Bengali channel. So that's what the announcement is about, my friends. So I am changing this channel's language from Bengali to English. And I know many of you subscribed this channel after hearing the language that was Bengali. So you probably think why I'm changing the language of this channel. So most of you guys don't know that I used to make videos in Hindi about 2 years ago, and then I switched almost a years ago in Bengali. But to be honest, there are very few audience want to watch tech in Bengali. So I decided to change my language. The audience engagement is very low comparing other channels. So that's why I decided to convert the language from Bengali to English, so all of you can understand my language. Either you're from India or US, you will understand my language because this is in English. And I'm really very sorry guys if my English is not that great. I'm making sure you guys, with time this will definitely improve. So if you want to watch me, if you want to watch this channel, if you want to hear tech in English from me, subscribe this channel. You won't be disappointed. So without any further ado, let's begin this video. Hey guys, this is Anik here, and I'm really sorry guys for the delay of this video, especially on this topic, but here we are. So best smartphones of 2020, and this is not a reward, but here are some of my picks of smartphones that are launched in 2020. And this is not about some best gaming smartphones, best camera smartphones like that. This is divided by price range, and this is mixed with the Indian market and global market. So enjoy. So budget smartphones are pretty rare in global markets, especially in US or UK like that. So I'm talking about India, especially in budget or mid-range categories. Then I will talk about some flagships or flagship killer smartphones that will be in global and Indian market also. So first, let's talk about under 10,000 the best smartphone. So in this category I want to pick the Redmi 9 Prime that was launched in 10,000 rupees, and this is a very good budget smartphone comparing the specs and price. So the Redmi 9 Prime comes with 6.5-inch full HD plus display, great comparing the price. And yeah, it comes with a Helio G80 processor, a very good mid-range processor, and a 5020 mAh battery. That is great in this price segment. A 13 megapixel quad camera setup and 8 megapixel front camera. And the good thing is this comes with 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage, and this is a very good in this price segment. So next category is 10,000 to 20,000 Indian rupees. This is a mid-range category. So in this price segment I want to pick the Realme 7 Pro smartphone. This is a very good smartphone from Realme according to me. This comes with a 6.4 inches Super AMOLED display and this comes with also under display fingerprint scanner, a very good mid-range Snapdragon 720G processor, and the battery capacity is kind of medium, 4500 mAh battery. And what crazy thing in this price range is you get a 65-watt super dart charger from Realme, and literally under 35 minutes your smartphone will be charged from 0 to 100%. That's a crazy number. And here in Realme 7 Pro you get a 64 megapixel quad camera setup, a very good camera setup according to me, and this comes with 32 megapixel front facing camera. And what's more interesting is this base variant of this smartphone comes with 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, so that's pretty good. And the third segment is 20,000 to 30,000 Indian rupees. That's the upper mid-range category in India. So in this category I really wanted to pick the Pixel 4a because the camera system of this Pixel 4a is literally the best in that price segment. But yes, the reason I didn't pick the Pixel 4a because of that small form factor. I like compact smartphones, but this is really small. And yeah, Pixel 4a comes with a very low capacity battery and battery life is literally worse. So this smartphone I picked, that my daily driver, is Samsung Galaxy M51. This is a great smartphone. This is exclusively for India. I guess you won't find this smartphone globally. This is exclusively for India, and the price of the smartphone is around 20 to 25,000 rupees. And this is the smartphone that comes with a 7,000 mAh battery. And who won't find any smartphone in the world that comes with 7,000 mAh? This is the first smartphone in the world that comes with this humongous battery. So overall, this is a very good package with great battery, great camera, great display, and a headphone jack. So our next category is relating global market and also Indian market. So the category is flagship killer smartphone. This is not flagship and this is not a mid-range, this is flagship killer. So in this segment, my pick is OnePlus 8T without any doubt, and a lot of people will agree that OnePlus 8T is the best flagship killing smartphone of 2020. And the reason why I'm saying this is that it comes with Snapdragon 865 processor with a display that is Fluid AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and yeah, it comes with a 48 megapixel quad camera setup that produces okay image for this price segment, not that great. And it comes with 16 megapixel selfie that comes with a hole punch cutout. And yes, for a flagship smartphone you get a big battery, 4500 mAh battery, and it comes with a 65 watt, what OnePlus calls it, warp charge. I don't know I'm pronouncing it right or wrong. And this comes with a UFS 3.1 super fast storage and 8GB of RAM and 128GB from the base variant. And the price of the OnePlus 8T is around 40 to 45,000 Indian rupees. This is may vary. I don't know the exact price right now. And in global market, it's around $500 to $600. I really can't tell you the exact price right now, but yeah, this is a flagship killer smartphone of 2020. And our last category is the best flagship smartphone of 2020. And here some other reviewers might have some different picks, but here my pick is iPhone 12, not the iPhone 12 mini, not the 12 Pro Max. This is the iPhone 12. This is a great phone, but if you're in India, the price is a little bit higher than US or UK, actually quite a lot higher. But no doubt this is a great smartphone, and this is probably the best smartphone camera in this price segment. I'm not going in depth about cameras. You know, iPhone cameras are always good and video quality is insane. iPhones always have the best video recording capabilities in any smartphone. And you probably think why I didn't pick the Samsung ones, the other Android ones, because Samsung ones are good, but in India and UK they launched with the Exynos processor that not that great comparing Snapdragon's processor, so I didn't go with Android. A lot of people like Apple devices, so iPhone 12 is the winner, the best flagship smartphone category. So that's it for this video. I know this video is a little bit longer than other videos, but thanks for watching and stay happy and blessed, and wishing you a very happy new year in advance. So best of luck.